Diamond.
I'm Layla, and today we're live at the State Fair Food Mystery.
Today we're going to try to find the secret recipe to Sweet Martha's cookies. We need to get to the milk stand. What's the recipe to Sweet Martha's?
I can't tell you, sorry.
Hey guys, do you know the secret recipe to Sweet Martha's cookies?
Whole lot of love. Whole lot of love, right?
Yeah.
I don't even hear the question. The recipe to Sweet Martha's cookies, what do you think it is?
Lots of sugar and butter.
And deliciousness.
Deliciousness.
Yeah. What do you think the recipe to Sweet Martha's cookies is? Fairchild.
What do you think the secret recipe to Sweet Martha's cookies is?
Heard you guys were asking about the Sweet Martha recipe. It's a dangerous game. Meet me at Midway Men's Club at 11:30. I'll tell you all about it.
You don't have to pay for this till 2050.
Sorry to inform you, but we couldn't find the secret recipe to Sweet Martha's.
It's in there.
That's oh, the cookie company.